Merry Christmas everyone. Jacqueline and I just arrived in Sydney after an 8-hour flight from Singapore. And it's pretty empty today because it's a holiday. But we're going to go out to Central and hopefully find something. The nice thing about being in Australia in December is that it's actually summer here. Can you believe that? Even though it's about 8 o'clock in the evening, there's still light out. Being in Sydney reminds me a lot of being in Canada. Very quiet, but very livable. We had a nice dinner at a nearby food court and are now taking a walk down Chinatown. It's really lively for a holiday. Look at this beautiful town hall. Good morning and happy Boxing Day to Australia. I absolutely love the summer weather here, especially compared to Singapore. It's not humid. We're sitting for brunch right now at the grounds, and this is a very, very verdant coffee sampler. Look at these beautiful plates and this beautiful atmosphere. We're taking part in a free walking tour of Sydney right now, going through one of the many shopping tunnels.
It's the copy of a 500-year-old sculpture from Florence in Italy, and he was donated here in 1968.
Following instructions from the crew. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on board the vessel. Thank you for your cooperation.
Here we're at Taronga Zoo. Gonna check out some of the animals. And there are some emus and wallabies next to each other. This is the view. We're on the trail from Coogee Beach to Bondi Beach. This is an interesting area where there's a cemetery right by the water. These views are just gorgeous. There's a funny kind of bird here called an ibis, colloquially known as the bin chicken. There's Bondi Beach off in the distance. We're almost there. So unique. Right next to the beach here in Australia, there's a pool. Those are the beaches we were at yesterday.
Restaurant called Metro Burgers, METRO. They do kangaroo burgers and emu burgers. There's a whole set of buildings and the square in the middle. That's why it's called Federation Square. Yeah, as I said, you've got Melbourne Central on your left, and on your right you've got the State Library where we started the tour.
This is a suburb of Melbourne called St Kilda. Very lively beach town feel. We're back at the Central Business District. I love all of these lovely Melbourne arcades. We found this little town called Healesville. It reminds me a lot of a town you would find in wine country in California. We've arrived at winery number 2, Tarawara. We're here at our third and final winery, Yering Station. It's beautiful just like the others. Such a beautiful evening sunset by the docks. We are in Hawaii right now in Honolulu. Arrived early this morning at 6 and it was still dark, but we spent the day at Ala Moana Shopping Center, had a nice lunch there, also visited Don Quixote, but we're really here just for one night for a layover before returning back to the Bay Area. Japan is really taking over Hawaii. There's even a ramen road here.